Day 11. Yesterday you saw the roadmap for everything days 1 through 8 unlocked. Today you're going to learn how to tell your algorithm exactly how much money it's starting with. Every backtest needs a starting point for your portfolio. Without it, your algorithm wouldn't know how big a position it can even afford to take. So what is SetCash? SetCash is the method you call in initialize to set how much starting capital your algorithm has to trade with. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have loading a budget onto a gift card. On the right, SetCash. Imagine you're given a gift card before a shopping trip. Before you walk into the store, someone loads a specific amount onto it. That number decides what you can and can't buy before you've picked up a single item. The gift card here says, decide your spending power before the trip even starts. SetCash works exactly the same way. It loads a starting balance onto your algorithm before any trading happens, which in this case is. If you set the set cash to $10,000, that's the budget your algorithm has to work with for every trade in the backtest. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set cash in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set cash determines how much starting capital your algorithm has available to trade, true or false. And the correct answer is true. Set cash is exactly where you define your algorithm's starting capital before any trade is placed.